The story of Collier made local and international headlines after it was alleged that she was held hostage in Jamaica while staying at a resort in Trelawney. Now, the company for which she works has responded and has so far terminated her service from the airline company as a flight attendant. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to bring you up to date with this developing story. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. Well, the story of Collier made local and international headlines after it was alleged that she was kidnapped and held hostage while staying at a resort in Jamaica. According to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF in a statement dismissed those claims and stated that this was the furthest from the truth. Now, an investigation is ongoing in order to ascertain what was the real motive behind certain videos that were posted online in relation to the matter. And the company for which this female was a former employee, which is JetBlue, have responded, and they have so far terminated her services at that airline company. So this is a developing story, and we have been tracking this story and keeping you abreast of what is really going on behind the scenes as it relates to this report. I'm not here to rejoice about anything that happened or even the developing stage of this investigation, but it's very sad to see what transpired and how it has spilled over onto social media and let this female know is at the center of an investigation and has so far lost her job based on those claims that she falsely made against the local system that was put in place due to the protocol outlined by the Jamaican government in breach of the COVID regulations. So the government have so far initiated certain measures in place for foreign nationals who are arriving on the island, just in order to protect the lives of people locally, and also if you're going back to your homeland. But with this said, the company have so far issued a statement in relation to the matter and have so far stated that they have terminated the services of Miss Collier after certain videos were posted online with her making false accusation against the Jamaican authorities. Now we're just going to bring you up to date with this and just give you a sneak peek of one of those videos that made rounds on the internet. Let's go over to that right now on our screen.
So now we're in the room maybe like 2 hours now. Nobody has came to check on us, nothing. So something told me to peek my head out in the hallway to see what was going on, who was out there. Sure enough, there's a security guard out there. So now I'm like, okay, now I'm scared because now there's someone there to attack me if I try to leave. Now I'm being held hostage. Oh yeah, my friend's phone, their phone right here, did not work. So if they didn't have service, and the Wi-Fi was super janky in those rooms, if they did not have Wi-Fi, if I didn't have a way to contact them, like if I wasn't smart enough to call their phone, luckily there's another phone in the bathroom. They had to use the phone in the bathroom to contact me. Okay, like it was insane. So again, we're in there for like 2 hours. Nobody's bringing us food. Nobody's calling to say, are you okay? No water, nothing. Until we've been reaching out to corporate. We've reached out to everybody. Like, this is insane.
Well, there you have it. That was just a short clip of one of the videos that made rounds on social media after she stated in that video that she was held hostage at a resort in Jamaica. Now we're going to provide you with the latest information that we have in relation to this matter, and a statement was issued by JetBlue and an apology as well on the behalf of the company. So JetBlue Airlines says Collier, the flight attendant accused of falsely claiming that she was kidnapped in Jamaica, is no longer with the company following an internal investigation. Derek Bromdowski, the manager at corporate communications at JetBlue, made a disclosure in a statement just a few hours ago. The statement said after an internal investigation, the crew member in question is no longer with JetBlue. We continue to offer our apologies for the frustration and concern this incident has caused, and we reiterate our confidence in the health protocols that put in place in Jamaica, according to the corporate communications manager. Collier, a U.S. national, caused a social media frenzy last week after claiming that she was being held hostage by wicked people at a hotel in Jamaica, and that would have been on the North Coast. However, the police later rubbished the allegations as baseless and mischievous, stating that Collier tested positive for the COVID-19 upon her arrival in Jamaica, and in keeping with the government's COVID-19 prevention protocol, was placed in isolation as stipulated by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. She departed the island just on Sunday. JetBlue announced earlier Tuesday that Collier had been suspended by the airline amidst the investigation into her actions. In the meantime, JetBlue CEO Robin Hines stated that a personal apology to the Jamaican government and the people of Jamaica will be done. Hines on Tuesday conveyed his sentiments during a phone call with Tourism Minister Mr. Edmund Bartlett, who welcomed the apology. He stated, "I was very heartened by the discussion I had with Mr. Haynes earlier today. His apology to our Prime Minister, the government of Jamaica, and the tourism team and the people of Jamaica for the concern and frustration about the incident which it has caused was well received," according to the minister. "We know that the actions of the employee are in no way a reflection of the standards of JetBlue," Mr. Bartlett said. "We look forward to strengthening our relationship with the airline moving forward, as JetBlue remains a valid tourism partner of Jamaica. Jamaica remains a premier tourist destination, and we welcome to provide the world-class service and tourism product which have allowed Jamaica to become the destination of choice for millions of visitors from across the globe. We will continue to work along with JetBlue and all other global partners within the tourism sector just in order to build the brand of Jamaica." So that was a statement that was issued earlier today by the Minister of Tourism along with an employee of JetBlue in relation to the matter that took place with Miss Kaline, Collier, I should say, and what transpired and spilled over onto social media. It was very sad to see how this triggered this whole entire backlash being blown up online in relation to this. But what happened now is that JetBlue have taken a very strict action against Miss Collier based on her actions and her rant that she did on social media. I'm not here to rejoice about anything because the whole entire situation was just so sad. It was just so unfortunate, and I can't believe that someone could be so angry within themselves that they would put out such a video like that, making these serious allegations. And even at one point in time, it was stated that the cameras were inside the room, when in fact these were actually smoke detectors and motion sensors that were placed inside the room just in order for this individual's safety. But just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story, and do you believe that JetBlue acted in the right manner in terminating her services based on what she did by posting a false claim video online about her being held hostage while on vacation in Jamaica? Well, we continue to just track this story and provide you with any more information that we have to bring to you. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always.